Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a 3-ingredient cake recipe, and I'm using this right here is Betty Crocker spice cake mix, 3 eggs, and Honeycrisp apples. And I think it'll be a really good snack for me and Calvin later on today. It's overcast here today and raining, and so I'm going to try this little 3-ingredient cake mix and see how it goes today. And if it's not good, I'll let you know about it. And I've made a lot of 3-ingredient recipes, and I've always enjoyed them. I have some of them on my videos. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wash these apples and cut them up, and then I'll be back to finish the rest of the video. Okay, I'm back and I have my apples cut up now. That's the hardest part of the recipe. And I took about 2 of them Honeycrisp apples, and man, are they good. I got them out at Sam's Club. Okay, so I'm just going to empty this in here. Right, I got all of the cake mix out now. So I'm going to just put my 3 room temperature eggs in my bowl. Okay, and now I'm going to put my apples in. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a good stir. It really smells good, all those spices. It's just about all mixed up. Okay, I think that's pretty well got it, all of the dry ingredients mixed up with it. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in my dish. Okay, so now I'm going to spread this out on a 9 by 13 inch pan. Okay, I have that spread out now, and so I'm going to put it in the oven and cook it for 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and then when it's baked, I'll come back and we'll see if this 3-ingredient recipe is really as easy and as good as the effort was. Hi, I'm back, and my cake just came out of the oven, and it really smells good, doesn't it, Calvin?
It sure does.
Can't wait to get a piece. I'm going to let it cool and then come back and do the taste test. But I cooked it for just 25 minutes and it was done. I didn't have to cook it for 30 or 40 minutes like the recipe said. That's the way it looks. And I guess you could put some vanilla ice cream on here if you want to or whatever kind of ice cream you want to put on it. Or just eat it without any ice cream, which that's the way I'm going to do. So when it cools, like I said, I'll be back and do the taste test. Okay, my apple cake has cooled down now, so I'm fixing to do the taste test. It's still a little warm, and that's the way I like it. Okay. Let's see. It certainly smells good, that's for sure. And it's going to be nice to eat this on a damp, rainy day. And Calvin made us a good cup of coffee. Okay, so now I'm going to take a bite of this good 3-ingredient apple cake. It's very good. I really like it. Let me get a little bit of coffee now. Okay, me and Calvin did the taste test, and we came to the conclusion that this cake is just a little on the dry side. And so we wouldn't make this recipe again. There's something about the recipe that just is not like what it says. It says 3 ingredients, and we went back and double checked the recipe and everything, and we did it just like the instructions said and everything. But if I was rating this cake, I would give it maybe a 3, and probably a 3. Calvin said he'd give it a 4. But if I was making this, I might try it like this. I might put a little bit more ingredients in it. Now, I'm not saying this is going to work, but I would try it and see if any of you are interested in making it. It's got, let's see, 1 cup of water, 1/3 cups of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs, and just mix up the batter like you would normally make the cake on the box. And then add the apples in and see if it would be less dry. But it just didn't work the way that we got the recipe, and it's just not good. So you can try it if you want to, like I said, that way, and see how it works. And if you do, you can let me know, and then I might try it again. But as of now, no, I'm not trying this recipe again. So I'm going to close out now, and so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall.